Woohoo! This is the OG from Crypto Daily Trade Signals, the Ric Flair of crypto coming to you live from Asia. This is our 12 p.m. Bangkok update, guys. Woohoo! You guys can't wait. I cannot wait. It's a great time to be alive, guys. Woo! Let's get it, guys. I love it. You love it. And guys, we got a really great video for you today. You know, China tried to stop Dogecoin. They failed. We're going to talk about that. We're going to talk about how some congressmen and senators are fighting back for the cryptocurrency community, how they're fighting back, how they're trying to stop this infrastructure bill, and the tax that's going to put a big kibosh on crypto if the tax goes through. So, woo, this is going to be a real barn burner of a video, guys. I love it. You love it. First of all, I just want to say thank you for all my members, all my subscribers. This channel wouldn't be possible without all of your support. I really appreciate that from the bottom of my heart. And all of those that have been with me from the beginning on this journey, thank you very much. We've just broken over 47,000 subscribers. So, woohoo, thank you very much. Doge, pump it up, guys. I really appreciate it. And guys, please, if you guys want to see, me cover other cryptos in depth, or just make a video that's, focused on one or two cryptos, let me know, and maybe we can change up the schedule where we do, 3 videos a day on the Doge and one exclusive video on another cryptocurrency. So tell me what you think about that. Tell me how you feel about it. Also, send me an email. I really appreciate it. All right, guys. So I really appreciate it. Woo! Let's jump into the content. Remember, this is not financial advice. This is just me expressing my opinion. This is for education and entertainment purposes only. Let's get it. And watch out for nasty scammers in the contents. And remember, I got some new members in the house. Just want to welcome them. We got Jerry Lee. Woo! Jerry Lee, a super channel supporter. He's going to have access to the private WhatsApp group where all our super members chit chat, share opinions, and educate each other on what's crypto and what things we should be doing in crypto. And also we cover the latest and breaking news on there. So, and also we got KC in the house, and we got Alvaro Contreras. Alvaro, if I made a mess in there, I apologize about that. I'm sorry about that. Woo. All right, guys. So let's jump into the Bitcoin price right now. Let's do it. Bitcoin price. Let's do it. So right now we can see that Bitcoin is it's struggling a little bit. I'm gonna call it like it is. It's struggling a little bit, and we're down right now. This is a Binance 1-day chart, guys, and we're down around about 1.5%, and we're trading right now at 39,088. So I'm expecting this to be expected. It's a combination of the China FUD. It's also Monday, and we've also got this Wyckoff pattern playing out exactly as predicted. So we're right here in this whole chart thing. So this is exactly what I predicted, and you can see we're kind of like right here now on this chart. Right here, and we should be moving up, but I'm still pretty bullish that we could see $45,000 incoming by the middle to end of August. That's if we don't have some black swan event that brings the whole markets down or something like that. But I'm pretty confident we're going to see 45,000 definitely by the middle or end of the month, or higher. We could even go as high as 50,000. So I'm pretty bullish about that. You should be bullish about that. Woohoo! So let's get it, guys. Let's jump into some other metrics. Right now we got the fear and greed index. Let me give that a bit of a refresh so we get the update. Yeah, we're still pretty much neutral on the fear and greed index. Yesterday we were at 48, and the day before that we were around about 68, if my memory serves correct. So we've moved back into the neutral territory, and actually this is a good time to pick up a buy on the dips. This is not financial advice. This is just me expressing my opinions. So guys, do some dollar cost average. Remember, HODL, don't panic, sell, and things don't go up forever, and we're just seeing a little bit of correction. Remember, we picked up almost $4,000 to $5,000 in the last week, since Bitcoin and the other alts have come up. So it's good. It's pretty good news. Where's my Doge right now? Doge is just this is the 1-day time frame, in case you're wondering. This is the 20-day moving average. This is a 50-day moving average on the 1-day time frame. And right now we have just broken down past my ascending triangle. Now, ascending triangles can sometimes be a bearish move. So it looks like we're breaking down right now. The worst case scenario for that is we could go down. We could go down to maybe 16 cents. But I don't really believe that's going to happen. I think we're just I think we'll probably consolidate here for a little bit, and we're really just waiting for Bitcoin to make a move. So right now we can see that fundamentally Doge is doing really good things. As I said in the previous video, our price is not being moved. Our price is not being moved by hype. It's being moved by fundamentals and tokenomics in the market. So right now, we're really fundamentally correlated pretty strongly with Bitcoin, and that's why we're moving. So you can see right now that our correlation is 0.38 between us and Bitcoin. And so we're moving pretty much in the same direction that the Bitcoin is moving. So that's pretty good. And even despite the price coming down, we've still got 66% of all Dogecoin holders are in the money. So that's really good, guys, that we're basically in the money right now. And 30% are out. So overall, it's okay. I wouldn't be panicking too much. This is to be expected. This is pretty normal. And also, if we look at the overall sentiment, this is active. This is the active social users that are tweeting about Doge. So we've had some really good momentum here. Yesterday the number of tweets have gone down. That was probably because of Sunday. So if you can see that typically on Sundays the social activity goes down, but you can see we had a huge upswing in the number of tweets about Doge online. It's come down. So let's monitor that. And then the total social dominance of Doge right now, you can see it was here, it's come down. This is social dominance. So this really tells us that, the Doge price is now not being driven by hype. It's being driven by fundamentals. And that's what we really need to see in any coin. So that's really good. So let's jump into it. China tried to kill Dogecoin, tried to kill crypto, tried to kill Bitcoin, but they failed. Bitcoin's bouncing back. Doge is bouncing back. China absolutely failed to kill the crypto, failed to kill Doge, and let's jump into that. Let's jump into it right now. Let me get my face out of the way. So China attempted to kill Bitcoin and Dogecoin, and they failed. They absolutely failed. The first thing they tried to do is they tried to kick out the miners, and they thought that by kicking out the miners somehow that it would that Bitcoin would cease to exist. Complete failure. Yes, the hash rate went down 50%. Yes, it did that, but the hash rate's bouncing back as the miners have found a new home. And in June we had a huge amount of China FUD. In June 16th, China blocked cryptocurrency exchanges and websites. And they also stopped, Hubei had to restrict leverage trading for new users, and a whole ton of websites were blocked. So they attempted to, IP block all of these crypto exchanges, but failed. The other thing is they also did social engineering. Different social networks were banned. They banned anything to do with crypto. Also TikTok, remember, they banned all the advertising for crypto on TikTok because it's Chinese, right? So, and basically they tried to do that. They also kind of they start banning people and canceling people's bank accounts if they had any crypto related trades and this and that. So it had a very short-term impact because everything's back to normal. So this is what you guys really need to understand, is that even though China tried to ban crypto, tried to kill Bitcoin, tried to kill Dogecoin, tried to kill ethereum, it absolutely had no impact. Yeah, we had a big price drop. I mean, and that was really FUD driven. I mean, a lot of institutions were also moving this whole China FUD narrative around because they wanted to basically drop the price of Bitcoin so they accumulate. So they were successful and they did that. So, basically everything didn't change. Even peer-to-peer markets carried on, even despite exchanges were blocked and IP were blocked. It still happened. So it was a nothing burger at the end of the day, but it really made people panic. It made people go crazy. But this is the lesson to retail investors: FUD is FUD. You cannot keep the crypto down. It will always come back. It will always bounce back. Even though we have this whole tax reform thing that we'll jump into now, you can't keep crypto down. And right now we have a whole bunch of blockchain lobbyists. We have senators who are saying this whole infrastructure bill and the tax component is totally untenable for crypto. And they're really saying that this is bad. And so, several U.S. lawmakers have spoken up against the crypto tax provision in the $1 trillion infrastructure bill. While the bill has been revised, I talked about this morning, it's been revised, so it's better. But even though with the revision, Senator Pat Toomey, he's still saying it's unworkable. It's not possible. And including Senator Ron Wyden and Warren Davidson, they're all saying, and Senator Ted Budd. So I just want to say hats off to all you senators, the guys that are supporting the crypto space, the crypto people, the people that have crypto. Thank you for supporting us. I appreciate that. So you can see that they're also fighting back, pushing back, and saying that it's not workable. A senator from Pennsylvania added, moreover, these individuals never take control of consumer assets. And it's true. A lot of DEXs, decentralized exchanges, the validator nodes, they're not actually holding any of their customers' crypto. So for them to have to provide personal identifying information on the forms 109 with the IRS, it's totally not possible. It's unworkable. So they're pushing, they need to have an amendment to fix that. So, and yes, there are concessions, but the latest language still can be interpreted by the Treasury to cover miners, lightning nodes, and the like. So yeah, there are concessions, but it's so loosely worded that they could do a reversal and go after that. So they're really pushing Congress to fix that. So this is really good news. And Republican Bud said Monday that the crypto regulations and the infrastructure bill are devastating for American jobs and the country's competitiveness in the financial technology industry. Absolutely. If this bill goes through, miners are going to leave. A lot of think tanks and a lot of fintech and anything blockchain related, they're going to move offshore because they don't want to be stuck with this whole tax regulations thing. So it's really going to be devastating to the whole crypto space, the whole blockchain development, and it's just bad. So let's see. I think we got a lot of Republicans that are fighting for us on our behalf, and so let's see how this goes. Woo! And then the other big news is. Korea right now, Korea regulator shuts down 11 currency exchanges. So, the Korean crypto space is highly regulated. So they've just shut down 11 more exchanges. So that's not good for Korean crypto space. But, we all know that Korea is very highly regulated. So let's jump into the markets, guys. Let's do a refresh. All right, guys. So you can see the Bitcoin dominance is still coming down. Right now, the markets are not looking too good right now. They're down 2.05%, and Bitcoin is suffering to stay above 39,000. And right now, Bitcoin is at 38,620. And that's down almost 3%. They're still up 5%. Ethereum was up this morning in Bangkok time, but it's come back down. It's now down 1.27%, but it's still up a staggering 15.75%. So we've got this new London fork that's coming out on the 4th of August. So let's stay tuned and see how that affects the price. Hopefully it'll drive prices up, and hopefully it'll provide some positive sentiment into the market, and that'll drive up not only Ethereum, but that could start a catalyst that actually moves all the markets up. So that would be good. Binance is down 1.2%, up 8.17% for the week, and that's trading at $326. I just rounded up, right? Don't beat me up in a guy. And Cardano right now is at $1.28. That's up 4.5%, and it's down almost 3%, guys. And my Doge is not looking good right now. It's down 2% for the day, and we've almost lost all of our gains that we've made over the past 7 days. And that's, as I said, we're breaking down from this triangle. If we continue in this trajectory, we could see ourselves going down almost to 18 cents, because we have our 20-day moving average right here. We have to stay below that, and the 20-day moving average right now is around about 19 cents. So this could be an area that we could retest if we continue to go down. We may go down to the 20-day moving average. Let's see. Let's hope we do that. Don't do that. I'd like to keep ourselves above 20, but it's probably very unlikely here in Asia. I think that we'll be hitting 19 cents pretty soon, and you can see that the 20-day moving average is around about 0.193. So you guys, we can probably expect that we'll be hitting 0.193 sometime late afternoon in Asia. So that's the truth of it, guys. I'm not going to sugarcoat it. It's not looking bad, but we're having a little bit of consolidation, and that's because Bitcoin is dragging us down. So once Bitcoin pumps up, and I think with all of this news, with the different senators, different Republicans trying to help with that whole infrastructure bill and get some more clarity on the tax issue that's in the tax provision in that bill, that should drive the markets up. And then also too, I think the markets are pretty much cooling down right now, and that's because we're waiting for this whole big London fork, because this is a big one. So I think that's another reason why we're seeing the markets a bit cooler than usual. All right, guys, so let's take a look at the Crypto Daily Trade Signals daily portfolio. And this is something we made July 2nd together in a live stream. And right now we're still showing 10%, almost 11% in profit. And that's $548 in profit. So it's not too shabby. We're still in profit even though the markets are down. And that gives us a total balance of $5,548. So it's okay. It's not bad. And remember, this is not financial advice. This portfolio is shown only for educational and recreational purposes. And if you do choose to follow or copy, you do it completely at your own risk. And this is not financial advice. You have been disclaimed. All right, guys. So just want to say thank you very much. And let's take a look at my Twitter, guys. Don't forget to smash the likes right now. Subscribe, YB. And guys, you got to follow me on Twitter. Do it now. And right now I've got 1,329 followers, but we have 47,000 subscribers. So come on, show some support, guys. I love you guys. Show some love back to OG. And guys, don't forget, none of this is financial advice. Again, you can see the big disclaimer here. And don't forget to follow Zen Music Addict, please. If you're having some stress, follow Zen Music Addict. It's a good place to relax, and you're gonna love it. I love it. And support the channel. Become a Patreon member. Buy a coffee. If you can't provide super chats in the live streams because of geolocation, you can always go to Ko-fi.com, Crypto Squad, and buy us a coffee there. All proceeds go to charity. Check out the NFT collection, and all these are found in the description of every single video. So go to the description, find it. If you want to become a channel member, the link is there too. And also, guys, please go to the shop. We got lots of merch. Let's check out the merch. We got lots of merch. We got bags. We got hats. We got mugs. I love the muggity mug. So guys, get it. Check out the merch. And one final thing, I just want to say to everybody, thank you for supporting me. Thank you for being on this long journey. And we're in it to win it. We're in it together. And blast out some comments. I love you guys. Without you, this channel wouldn't be possible. And I do really appreciate it. And I feel that you guys are my family. And I respect you guys, and thank you for being in the live streams every single time, every single moment. Thank you for taking time out of your precious life to share with me, and I do appreciate that, guys. So God bless all of you. Walk with God. Go with God. Be well. Be safe. Spread a little love. Hashtag Doge spreading love. And let's hashtag Doge pump it up. Let's get it out there, guys. Let's get the message. Don't forget to share this video on your socials. I appreciate it so very much. God bless each and every. And I mean that right from the heart, guys. I mean it. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out, guys. Peace out.